In DeKalb County, Georgia, on June 9, 2021, Georgia State Patrol assisted in the pursuit of a homicide suspect identified as driving a black Dodge Dart. When officers attempted to make contact, the suspect failed to comply, rammed a patrol vehicle, and fled, leading to a dangerous pursuit across multiple roadways. The pursuit ended after police executed a pit maneuver, bringing the vehicle to a stop. The suspect continued to flee on foot and resisted. A taser was deployed but proved ineffective. When the individual drew a firearm and pointed it at officers, police discharged their weapons in self-defense, subdued the suspect, and recovered the weapon, bringing the situation to a close in accordance with operational procedures.
543, coming at you. Get on the ground! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do not shoot! Do not shoot! Got it! Get on the fucking ground! Show me your hands! Now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!